Hey, y'all, we have a foam roller workshop coming up this Saturday, the 22nd at 11 a.m. It's on Zoom, so you can join from the comfort of your own home. So why come to this workshop? Release work. We're going to be doing tons of release work, juicing up your back, juicing up your joints. We're also doing stability work, so versions of your bird dogs, your dead bugs. We're going to go through a handful of strength exercises, some variations on your hip hinges, your squats, lunges, a plank or push-up option, and then some nice stretching at the end. So this would be a really good class for you if you have one of these, say you got one from a physical therapist, chiropractor, and you're not sure what to do with it, or if you've used it primarily to roll your legs and back and haven't used it for other things. So this will give you some new ideas of ways that you could use your roller. You're going to leave feeling really good. You're going to feel like you've got some more mobility in your shoulders and hips, relaxed. Yeah. You get to decide how much of the strength portion you want to do. So if you want this to be more of a release and juice things up. If you want to do some bigger strength moves, I'm going to give you a couple of options. So join us this Saturday, January 22nd, 11 a.m. on Zoom. And the link is in my website. I'm going to put a link down below. See you there.